Hi everyone, we're back with another edition of the Android Show. Today, it's all about XR. So if you're excited about what's new in headsets and glasses, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a developer, a fan, or both, the next 20 minutes has something for you. New features, new demos, new tools, and more. But before we dive in, I want to give you a look at the future of Android. Over the last few months, we've had incredible momentum, including the unveiling of an all-new design language, Material 3 Expressive, that we launched on Pixel just a few months ago. It's been amazing to see how you've been using it to make your phone uniquely yours. And Gemini on Android keeps getting better. New screen share and visual guidance capabilities mean you're just a long press away from answers, advice, or inspiration. People are also going, well, bananas over our new Nano Banana image editing model in the Gemini app. It's so much fun. Like, here I am in a video game, painting, on the court, and in the 10th grade. Wait, how did you guys get that last one? Okay, anyway, a beautiful design, the most helpful AI, and of course, some personality. That's Android. It's where you see the future first, whether it's on your phone, your wrist, in your car, or on your TV. In fact, as Gemini and Android come together, we're working towards a future where your devices are more than smart. They're intelligent. That means having a truly universal assistant that helps you in 3 ways. First, it just gets you. It understands your context, learns your preferences and priorities to offer you help that's right for you. Second, it's a step ahead. It anticipates what's next and gives you exactly what you need in the moment. And third, it handles your busy work, making tedious tasks easier to free you up. This will be a fundamental change in the way we interact with technology. And we're just getting started. The first place you'll see the beginning of all of this come together is on our new Android XR platform. With that, I'm going to hand things over to 2 people who are helping to build that future, Sharam and Kiwan.
Thanks, Amir. There's so much happening in the world of XR right now, and Kiwan and I are excited to dive deeper into Android XR. So buckle up.
And welcome to the Android Show, XR Edition.
Android XR is the industry's first unified platform for extended reality devices. We built it together as one team with Samsung and Qualcomm. And by building on the foundation of Android, all your favorite apps and experiences from Google Play will be there to help, along with Gemini as your assistant.
Today, we have a lot of updates for Android XR. Before we jump in, let's ground ourselves in what we mean by XR. We see XR as a spectrum of devices, from headset to glasses.
That's right. On one end, you have powerful headsets for shorter, more immersive computing tasks, like watching 3D movies, playing games, and getting work done. On the other, you have lightweight AI glasses providing all-day wear with quick access to information. And in the middle are devices that blend the two.
We already use an ecosystem of devices, from laptops, phones, and wearables. The extended reality roadmap for Android XR will be similar. You will use different XR form factors throughout your day, which will complement and augment your existing devices. The first of those devices, the new Samsung Galaxy XR headset, is out now.
Galaxy XR gives you an infinite screen to watch, create, and explore. And with Gemini by your side, you can control your apps and get tasks done in new ways, all by simply having a conversation.
We've been so excited by your responses to Galaxy XR so far. And it's just the beginning. We have many new apps launching, as well as new features we will announce today.
This year at TED and Google I/O, we also gave you the first look at our AI glasses that we're building in collaboration with Samsung. On glasses, Gemini can unlock all kinds of helpful experiences that give you the information you need right when you need it. You can search what you see, translate a conversation in real time, or discover what's nearby, all while staying heads up, hands-free, and present in the real world. We're building glasses first and foremost with eyewear in mind. That's why we're partnering with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster to design glasses that are truly great to wear.
Yes, our AI glasses are eyewear first. That means they will be light, fashionable, and wearable all day, and give you help when you want it. With our engineering expertise, we will make the technology disappear into beautiful glasses.
This combination of lightweight eyewear paired with a conversational AI assistant that understands your context is why the future of AI glasses is so exciting. Of course, Android XR powers everything in between too. All new form factors like Xreal's Project Aura will expand the Android XR ecosystem, letting you take some of the immersive headset experiences with you on the go, like at a coffee shop.
Between all these devices, Gemini is the glue, giving you a simple, conversational interface to do so much.
It makes XR devices go from computing to feeling like you have superpowers. Today, we'll see exciting updates across the Android XR ecosystem.
From new features for Galaxy XR to progress on our AI glasses, made in partnership with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster. And finally, a first look at Project Aura in action.
And for the developers out there, spoiler alert, starting today, we're opening up development for our AI glasses with new tools that make it easy to start building. As you know, if you're building for Android, you're already building for Android XR. But first, let's check in with Catherine and Austin to see new updates for Galaxy XR.
In October, we launched Galaxy XR, the first device to be powered by Android XR, giving you access to Gemini. With its high-quality resolution, multimodal AI input, and optional controllers, people have been very excited about the Galaxy XR and have loved all the apps and experiences that are available.
The headset also launched with the incredible Explorer Pack. This gives you access to Google AI Pro, YouTube Premium, and Google Play Pass. You also get YouTube TV for $1 a month for 3 months, and NBA League Pass on us in the US, or TV-ing and Coupang Play Sports Pass in Korea. And everybody can access exclusive Android XR experiences, like Doug Liman's film Asteroid, as well as Adobe's Project Pulsar for spatial video editing.
That's right, Catherine. Galaxy XR really does give you the best of AI help to plus up how you watch, create, and explore. So if you're in Google Maps, it already feels immersive in XR. But then you bring in Gemini to ask more about the architecture or pull up related videos on YouTube. And now, it's an experience you can only get on a Galaxy XR headset.
Yeah, there's so much you can do with the infinite screen and Gemini by your side. I think that's what's been so amazing to see. With Android XR and Galaxy XR, Google and Samsung have pushed what's possible, alongside a whole community of developers embracing the platform. Just 1 month after launch, there are now over 60 made-for-XR apps and games on the Google Play Store, like Demio. Have you played that one yet?
You know, I'll have to check that one out.
And we're just getting started. Today, we're launching new features to expand spatial computing and bring XR to your world. Now, Kiwan mentioned earlier that one of the best things about XR devices is how they complement and augment your existing devices. With the new PC Connect, I can seamlessly pull in a window from my laptop.
That unlocks so much for productivity, creativity, and entertainment.
And it's super quick, too. Now here, I'm already playing City Skylines 2 on my PC. I just need to open the PC Connect app, select my desktop, and now I'm back to designing my dream city. Except this time, I'm on a ginormous screen. Playing in XR, you really get a sense of the bird's eye view. But this is the infinite screen after all, right? So let's imagine I wanted to share my city with my friends. I can open up Google Meet in another window where we can show you another cool feature.
Google Meet calls are incredibly immersive on a Galaxy XR headset, but we've always wanted you to be able to show up as yourself and stay connected with friends and colleagues, whether through stylized digital representations like Galaxy avatars or a more photorealistic version of yourself.
So I'm about to jump on this Google Meet call, and I think you'll see something new. That's me. This is the new likeness feature on Android XR. It's pretty incredible, right? And it works across video conferencing apps, not just Google Meet. How am I looking, Austin?
Hey, look, that's you. Should we give everyone a sneak peek of another feature we're excited about?
Absolutely.
So one of the most immersive things about headsets is the ability to view things in 3D, merging your physical and digital worlds.
And with the press of a button, I can take these 2D experiences and transform them into an immersive 3D experience.
It really does give you an all-new perspective. You can turn regular 2D content into 3D in real time across multiple apps. And because this is running on the headset, it works with pretty much any app. Just imagine if every game was immersive, every YouTube video was immersive, if the entire web was immersive. That's what auto-spatialization can unlock.
Exactly. In this first update, starting to roll out today, you'll have PC Connect and Likeness. You also get travel mode, so you can create your own personal cinema, or an immersive workspace while on a flight. System-level auto-spatialization comes next year. Of course, Galaxy XR is the first of a number of exciting devices coming to Android XR. Let's check in with Justin and Andrea to learn more.
Since we announced Android XR last year, there's an ecosystem of new devices in the works, where some of the immersive experiences you just saw are coming to new form factors.
Take Xreal's Project Aura. Lightweight and portable, this upcoming device will bring a new wired XR glasses experience to the Android XR family. Let's give you a tour. The first thing you see when you put it on is the real world around you through transparent lenses. That's called Optical See Through, since you see the world with your own eyes. Project Aura then projects virtual experiences into your field of view. You use hands to interact, just like an Android XR headset. So it's super intuitive to pick up and start using.
It's powered by a tethered puck, which holds the main compute and battery, so these immersive glasses still feel light and comfortable. And the puck also doubles as a trackpad.
I can use Aura anywhere to get things done. Let's imagine I'm out at a cafe getting a few things done while I grab a coffee. Aura runs apps from Google Play, just like a headset. So I can make my own full-size workspace, something people love to use Xreal devices for. I can pop on some entertainment over here to the left, pull up my chats to the right. Voila! It's like I got my personal setup anywhere I go.
Andrea has her computer, but in places like this, sometimes you wish you had a little more screen real estate when you're away from your typical monitor setup. And because the lenses are transparent, she can still clearly see her computer while she's wearing the glasses.
And looks like I'm getting a ping from work in another window. All right, time to use Lightroom, but I want to do this on a big screen. So I can also plug Aura into another device like my laptop here and extend its apps to my screen as a giant spatial window. Here's Lightroom, and I can use my keyboard and trackpad from the computer. Of course, Gemini is here by my side in Project Aura too, and can see what's on the screen, even the computer window, and offer help. Gemini, how can I add a bokeh effect to this image?
Go to the Lens Blur panel. Click Apply to let AI auto-detect the subject, then use the Blur Amount slider to adjust the strength of the blur.
Xreal Aura lets Andrea stay totally focused on this immersive experience in this pair of wired XR glasses.
Making a few edits here, and done.
Nice. We can't wait for everyone to check out these experiences and more when Project Aura launches next year. Thanks, Andrea. Let's move on to AI glasses, where we're seeing a lot of excitement. Similar to the smartwatch, glasses that work with Android XR take something that billions of people already wear every day and just make them better. With the help of Gemini, you can focus on what matters, make life that much more simple, and stay more present throughout your day. Now, a lot has happened since we last checked in on glasses at I/O earlier this year. In collaboration with Samsung, we're now working with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster to build two types of glasses. There's AI glasses that have built-in speakers, a camera, and microphones, so you can talk with Gemini, listen to music, make calls, take photos, and more. And then there's display AI glasses, which add in a small display that privately shows you helpful information right when you need it. That's what you saw us demo at I/O. Let's check in with our partners to hear more about where they want to take AI glasses.
Glasses are the first thing that somebody sees.
For most people, it's the only thing they wear on their face, and it serves as a powerful form of self-expression. We couldn't be more excited to integrate AI into our new glasses.
They're not only going to help you see, but they're going to help just live your life to the fullest.
We think people are going to be surprised by how powerful it is to not have to look at a screen, but just wake up, put your glasses on, and go on with your daily life.
I can't wait to not take my phone out of my pocket for at least an hour. We're excited for the day when all eyewear is intelligent and we no longer refer to them as AI glasses, but just glasses. That day is going to come sooner than we think.
Gentle Monster is a global eyewear brand that redefines what eyewear means and challenges conventional perceptions. We wanted to create fashion eyewear equipped with AI that allows us to deliver a sense of wonder. In our partnership with Google and Samsung, we not only collaborate together, but challenge each other to create experiences and possibilities that others haven't even imagined.
These are products that are going to provide more connectivity to the world around you.
Helping people in their daily lives while redefining what eyewear can be.
And we couldn't be more excited to be building that future together with Google.
It's so cool to see eyewear designers like Warby Parker and Gentle Monster so inspired by what they can create on Android XR. In fact, let me show you why they're so excited. First things first, let's put on these prototype glasses. Now, in some ways, there's nothing new here. They're just my glasses, except these are special. I can activate Gemini and talk about anything that I see or hear and get help throughout the day. So let's take a walk around. And first things first, let's say hi to our amazing production crew. Hi, everybody. Now, I'm going to activate Gemini and ask a question that's been on my mind all day. What are these snacks?
That's a bag of pushu pushu bulgogi flavor noodle snack. They're a popular Korean snack that people usually eat by crushing the noodles and mixing them with the seasoning packet.
Okay, I'll have to try those later. Now, it wouldn't be a glasses demo if we didn't take a group photo. But we're going to try something fun that we've been working on the Google side. Is everybody ready? All right, Gemini, take a photo. And now add an Android bot with a full body and sunglasses. Isn't that cool? Nano Banana really expands what you can create with just your glasses. Okay, I think I earned that snack now. Gemini, was there anything that's high in protein on that snack table back there?
There was some edamame on the table. That's high in protein.
Edamame is protein rich. Now I know. All right, add that to my shopping list. Oh, and it's Jin from Samsung. How's it going, Jin?
Hey, Justin, good to see you.
Hey, it's good to see you too. Congrats on the Galaxy XR launch. And do you want to help me do a quick demo of Live Translate?
Oh, of course. I'd love to.
All right, Gemini, start translating.
갤럭시 XR 출시를 축하해 주셔서 정말 감사합니다. 갤럭시 XR이 드디어 세상에 나와서 소비자들이 직접 만져보고 사용해보는 걸 보니 정말 신기해요.
Totally. And what are you working on there?
개발자분들이 하루빨리 앱 개발을 할 수 있도록 글라스 플랫폼을 준비 중에 있어요.
All right, I'll let you get back to work.
All right, thanks.
This idea of glasses bringing you an AI assistant that can understand the world around you is pretty exciting. But what does that look like out in the real world? We gave a pair to our friends at Get Your Guide, who are looking at ways that AI glasses with Gemini can help you get the most out of your travel experiences. Let's take a look at what they got up to.
I'm Rose and I'm a tourist for a living, but sometimes I like to explore my own city. My favorite way to do that is through food.
Hey Google, what are some nearby food tours on Get Your Guide?
I headed to the East Village Sandwich Tour. This place looks so cute. Remind me of this spot later. My glasses help me find the meeting point. Hey.
Oh, hey, mate. Welcome to the sandwich tour.
Hey, thanks.
Hope you're hungry. Welcome to stop number 1, Hen House, where they make some incredible chicken and falafel shawarmas.
Everybody get together. Hey, Google, take a picture. Our second stop was a Pakistani chopped cheese joint.
Born in East Harlem, reimagined in East Village. That's a heck of a sandwich. How many chopped cheeses are you selling a week? And how many are you eating a week?
We ended the journey with a New York City hot dog, a dish of hot debate.
All right, team. Criff dogs, come on in. All right, so now you got your dogs. I have to ask, is a hot dog a sandwich?
No way. But I bet it's really good.
Come on, you know it is.
Is this a sandwich?
That's a great existential question of bun-splitting semantics. Let's get into it.
Bottoms up, bon appetit.
I don't know if it's a sandwich, but it's really good.
Okay, we promised some developer updates. If you're a developer, you're probably wondering, how can I start to build for this? Well, don't worry. Here's Matthew with a rundown of the SDK updates and new APIs you can get your hands on today.
Android XR uses the APIs and tools you already know from building adaptive apps. This makes it easy to create magical new experiences and scale them across the growing ecosystem of XR devices. If you're developing for Android, you're already developing for XR. Today, we're announcing Developer Preview 3 of the Android XR SDK. This release brings increased stability and a bunch of new features, getting you ready to build the next wave of XR applications for headsets and glasses. Let's start with XR headsets. This is where we've been working closely with developers like you to refine the APIs and tools you need. We've added new features for building rich 3D scenes, such as spatial animations with soft head locking and transitions. We've also made it easier than ever to adapt your existing UIs with Material 3 components like dialogues and navigation bars automatically transforming into spatial XR elements. Android XR is designed to also power everything in between headsets and glasses, like Xreal's Project Aura. We saw Andrea demo how it blends immersive headset experiences into a lightweight form factor with a 70-degree field of view. We call them wired XR glasses. As these devices come to market, your adaptive apps will adjust their UI thanks to new APIs that allow your app to detect a device's field of view. You can start testing the different fields of view right away using the XR emulator in Android Studio. Now, if you've been waiting for more on AI glasses, well, Sharam revealed it earlier. Today, we're opening development for both AI glasses and display AI glasses. Let me walk you through some of the new updates and libraries in Developer Preview 3 designed specifically for glasses development. Last year, we introduced AR Core for Jetpack XR. Now, we're adding AR Core's geospatial capabilities, so you can use the visual positioning service to provide directions based on orientation. You can also use the geospatial API to build content triggers and location-specific actions in your apps. And with AR Core's motion tracking, you can build dynamic experiences that respond intuitively to user movement, like a simple head tilt. Beyond these AR Core updates, we're also introducing 2 new libraries, specifically designed for AI glasses. First, for UI, there's Jetpack Glimmer, our Compose UI toolkit for AI glasses. Glimmer includes familiar UI components like cards, lists, stacks, and more, so you can quickly build beautiful UIs that are designed for glasses with transparent displays. Second, there's the Jetpack Projected Library. This foundational API lets you bring your existing Android mobile app directly to AI glasses. You can easily manage audio configurations and access the glasses camera from your core mobile app. As you might guess, the best experiences on glasses are the ones in which AI can help your users take action. We've been collaborating with the Firebase AI Logic team to make the Gemini Live API work with AI glasses. To help inspire us, let's chat with Amit. He leads the Writer product team at Uber, and he's been using these tools to help bring their app to glasses. Amit, come on in.
Hey, Matthew. Thanks for having me. It's great to be here. We're bringing the Uber experience to glasses with Android XR, because at Uber, we're always looking for new ways to help people go where they want and get what they need. There are so many possibilities to do that with display AI glasses. One area we're working on is how glasses might help riders stay heads up for an even easier pickup experience. Imagine you've just landed at the airport. After booking your Uber, you instantly see your trip status and ETA right in your view. This simple notification not only keeps you heads up and aware of your surroundings, but also lets you focus on getting to the pickup location on time. In a complex environment like an airport, we know that finding your pickup location can sometimes be challenging. And there's nothing more annoying than having to put your luggage down and pull out your phone. So we're using wayfinding in glasses to provide simple contextual directions. All right, so you've arrived at the pickup and it's a crowded curb. How do you find your driver? Now, instead of opening the app, the glasses can also show you the license plate number and even help you call the driver if needed. This is just the start, but it shows how we can make your journey even more seamless and intuitive, letting you stay present in the world around you. Back to you, Matthew.
Thank you, Amit. What an amazing use of this glasses tech for writers. Now that the demo has you inspired, let's recap how to get started. First, if you're developing for Android, you're already developing for Android XR. That means that if you're building for large screens, your app works out of the box on XR headsets and wired XR glasses. And if you're building features like rich notifications, they just work on AI glasses. And if you want to build differentiated experiences for all of these devices, you can start using Developer Preview 3 of the Android XR SDK and test your apps out on the XR emulator in Android Studio. Your feedback is crucial as we continue to build this platform together. Head over to developer.android.com to share your feedback and join studies that will improve the Android XR developer experience. All right, time to hand things back off to Sharam and Kiwan to wrap things up.
Thanks for joining us on this journey across Android XR, from headsets to glasses and everything in between.
As we showed with Gemini by your side, Android XR will deliver so many helpful experiences across so many different devices. You're seeing it first on Galaxy XR, which is already getting its first feature drop, including PC Connect, likeness, and travel mode. We also shared a sneak peek at the upcoming system-level auto specialization, which turns everything you see into a 3D experience.
Beyond headsets, we're also excited for Google and Samsung to partner with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster to launch beautiful AI glasses next year, as well as developers like Uber to bring valuable new experiences to this new form factor. And with Project Aura, we're showing how Android XR can expand to the broader ecosystem, supporting new types of XR devices.
For our developers, you now have new tools that make it easy to start building and dream big on Android XR for glasses.
And for our fans, you can try Android XR on the newly released Galaxy XR. And stay tuned for more on AI glasses soon. That's all for now. See you next time.